Hello and welcome to Norfolk Boat Sales Brundall. Here we have an Alphacraft 35 for sale on our beautiful marina in Brundall, recently expanded with this new pontoon and yeah, lovely, especially on a lovely day like today. Nothing better than to be looking at boats or going boating yourself. Now, Alphacraft used to be built here in Brundall. This is a 1994, but you know, a very good boat, very good builder boat. You know, there's quite a few on the rivers in Norfolk, on the Norfolk Broads. She's powered by a single BMC 1.5 diesel engine, so you know, a solid, reliable engine. Many boats like this Alphacraft have it on the Broads, but yeah, very tidy boat. We'll step on board. Now, there's quite a few things. Minion, just for MYA, our friendly neighbours down the road. Now we'll step on board, and you know it's beautiful, lots of space in the galley saloon area at the stern of the boat here. You know, plenty of space, fold out table so you can enjoy your meals and do some cooking on gas stove or get a gas hob. And then grill oven there, sink with hot, cold, pressurized water, your fridge. Now, this boat has battery charger, also shore power, also a heating system, so warm air heating system, obviously to UK specifications. I know you don't need it on a beautiful day like today, but come the winter months. Now in here you've got your covers, just come with the boat on this one, your winter covers. Many people put them on just to, you know, protect the boat during the winter. You have your sink in here for the bedroom, your UK sockets. But yes, this is one of the berths on the boat, just at the aft of the boat. Just a good builder boat, you know, 1994, and they just last, the Alphacrafts. Now we'll go through to the cockpit area. Plenty of headroom throughout the boat, very impressive. Now you just have to step up. You got your pulpit rail to hold here, your map, and then we step up. Morse throttle. We sell them on Boat Bits and Bobs. Shout out eBay store. And all the gauges you need. Garmin GPS, 12 volt, also your speed and depth log. So everything you need. Beautiful view out of the boat, you know, the helm's position. This boat also benefits from a bow thruster, so that just makes handling the boat so much easier, because you can move the front of the boat port to starboard or left to right, and just helps with maneuvering the boat, and just makes it so much easier, stress-free, which is what you need. When you're boating, you're basically on holiday, so stress-free is what you need. Now it's fitted with a sliding roof and folding windscreens, so this allows passage through most of the bridges on the Norfolk Broads. So it's just a perfect Broads family cruiser. You know, just really is. Easy boat and a very sociable boat as well. You know, great for weekends away, weeks away on the Broad. You know, and you can do most of the Broads as well, getting through the bridges. Now we'll step down into the forward cabin. You have, but before we go into that, we've got the heads, or the head. You've got your toilet there, a cassette, just as an And then you've got your shower. Again in here, plenty of room. Clean and tidy. Now into the forward cabin, plenty of room. Got a double there and a single here. And plenty of room, headspace. Very impressive. On the front as well, you have your mud weight. That's what we use on the Norfolk Broads. And pulpit rails to hold along the decks. Now we go through the boat again. There's just plenty of headroom through here. Fire extinguisher and your warm air heating source through there. Minion is the added extra of this boat. I think Gru used to own this boat, but he's off doing another movie, so he had to sell it, unfortunately. But fortunately for you watching, this could be your dream boat. So you can see, you know, sit on the front here, rails to hold along the boat. Just makes it easy when you're moving along. If you're interested in the Alphacraft 35, why not head down to Norfolk Boat Sales in Brundall on what today is a beautiful day, or visit our website, which is www.norfolkboatsales.co.uk. Send us an email, which is brundle@norfolkboatsales.co.uk. Give us a call on 01603 781178.